Hi, I'm Crystal Futrell, K-State's Health and Food Safety Extension Agent for Johnson County, and today we're going to talk about how to properly clean fresh produce. And it all starts with our hands. Before we begin, we have to wash our hands properly, and that means washing them for 20 seconds with soap and water. I'm going to do a demonstration for you that shows why washing with soap and scrubbing for the 20 seconds is important. This demonstration starts by coating my hands with vegetable spray to represent the oils in my skin. Next, I dip my hands in sprinkles to mimic dirt and germs. When I just wet my hands with water alone, the oil repels the water and holds on to the sprinkles. But when I apply soap and scrub for about 20 seconds, this gets all the oil and sprinkles off my hands. Make sure you dry your hands afterwards. All fresh produce should be rinsed with cold water just before eating. No soap is needed. It's not food safe, and fresh produce can absorb it. Even rinse produce that you peel. Touching the peel with hands or a knife can transfer the surface germs into the parts we eat. This even goes for bananas. For produce with a tough or netted skin, you can use a scrub brush. Just make sure you clean it afterwards with soap and water. I also like to put my brush in the top rack of my dishwasher. After rinsing, trim or peel away all damaged parts. For leafy greens, pull off and discard the outer leaves. Next, look for and remove damaged or very dirty bits. They're too hard to clean. With cool water running, rinse each leaf. To thoroughly clean the ruffly edges, soak and rinse the leaves in a bowl. I like to break the leaves into bite-sized pieces so they'll fit into the bowl better. I typically do this step a couple of times. It's recommended you soak leafy greens in a bowl instead of your sink because most kitchen sinks aren't thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. For produce purchased in a bag labeled washed and ready to eat, there's no need to re-wash it. Studies show it's okay to just open and eat. Clean counters matter too. Start by removing debris from the surface. Next, wash the surface with warm, soapy water. Then, rinse with fresh, warm water to remove the soap. Finally, sanitize your clean surface with disinfectant spray and allow it to air dry. Following these steps will keep your fresh produce safe and healthy. For more info, check out our website, www.johnson.k-state.edu.